What's up, everybody? This is D Money from our quitmyjob.com, where we show you how to make money online and offline so you can quit your 9 to 5. Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial and show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail that actually gets clicks to where you actually can start making you some nice thumbnails for your business. And you can actually do this for free in Canva. I use the pro version, but you can also just get started for free. And if you like the free version, I highly recommend that you go with the pro version. So just check this out. I'm gonna walk you step by step how I did this direct thumbnail right here, and I want you to stay to the end and check it out, and watch exactly how I make it so you can get started and make your own thumbnails as well and get going, man. So let's get to it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and let me know what video should I make next after you like this one and check it out. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so to get started, we got you right here on canva.com. Like I said, they have a free version that you can use to get started, but I highly recommend the pro version. But you do not have to sign up for the pro version. That's just something that I like to use because they have different templates and stuff like that, so you can use for your marketing for whatever business that you're in. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can actually get started and check it out for yourself, and just start making you some nice thumbnails for your YouTube videos or whatever you want to make. And just to go over quick, if you're not used to Canva, they have different things you can use for video presentation, regular presentations, Instagram posts. You can make your posters, your infographics, animated social media, Instagram story, regular explainer videos. You can make your logos on here, and there's just so many different things, flyers and stuff like that for your business, posters, brochures, ebook covers. It's just regular book covers. It's just an array of things that you can make with Canva. But that's not what we're going through today. We are actually going to make an actual YouTube thumbnail. So what you'll do is you'll go up to the top search, type in YouTube thumbnail. Okay, it's already on here, and they got different templates that you can actually start from. And what you'll do is just click on the template, and then you can just add your stuff into it. But I'm going to show you exactly from scratch how I do mine, and you can go that way. But if you wanted the templates, like I say, these are the regular free ones. You'll see like a little crown on side of it if it's actually the pro version. So I'm gonna click right here and create blank YouTube thumbnail. All right, so here'll be everything on the side, and like I say, this free, free, you know. So they got a lot of options for the free stuff. Go back to templates. They got a lot of things for the free stuff that you can use. That's pretty cool, and this depends on what niche that you're in. They have those on the side: travel, a beauty niche if you're doing tutorials on beauty, stuff like that. Travel, be a travel blogger, you can actually use some of those thumbnails that they use, and these are some of the thumbnails that are very popular on YouTube already. All right, so here's my blank canvas right here, and I'm going to actually put a picture because what I found out just from my research and the classes that I took, a lot of people they're like, they say it's better to use your actual face in the YouTube thumbnail, which is a good tip for you. to actually use your face to actually get better engagement on the thumbnail. So that's just a pro tip for you. Alright, so I'm going to use this image right here that I took a picture of earlier. So I will click on the image. Now when you take the image, you want to fill up, this is your background. So if you just had a regular background, you could change this background color to different colors and themes and stuff like that. But what you want to do is you're going to keep that background plain, and you're going to take up, make sure you fill up this whole thing to cover the whole background. So connect it on each corner, go all the way up, take to the side, just you want to expand it out to here, boom, and we'll take it down from here, bam. Alright, now another pro tip, you want, when somebody looks at a photo, YouTube says that they're actually looking for the writing on the left hand side. So what you can do here with this photo is you could just flip it, bam. So now you flip the photo to the right side and have the words on this left side. The YouTube, this is actually in the YouTube classes, they say that they will read from left to right. Alright, so now what you want to do is, now that you got your photo in there, you want to add some text and elements to it. Now this is how you add the blocks to, you see it on people with YouTube. So you go to shapes and you just get a blank block, a blank box, I'm sorry, and you want to move it over. So this is actually, they picked out this box because I got the blue shirt on. And what you want to do is take this block, hold it, left click, and make it a rectangle, open it up a little bit, and this is what we're going to add our text to. So I want to get this is for deal machine, so I'm actually gonna put down, and alright, so I got 2 boxes, and this is a review. So I'm gonna be underneath 3 boxes, and they say to try to keep it in 3, no more than 3 words if you can. Let's see. Okay, line it up like that. And let's see. Alright, so what you do is go to text and you add a heading. So you put your heading inside the box. So yeah, what you want to do is type in, so this will be review. And you want to put this inside the box. Center it, bam, and you do that. Just do that over again. Move this up. And you can turn it and stuff like that. You want to have it sideways, anything like that. There we go. And change the text. Bring it down a little bit. And I'm going to actually make this box a little smaller. Now this box, I'm gonna leave this color. And then we'll play with the different. Now if you want to change the background color, you'll go up here. This is the actual color of the box. You click on the box and you can change it to a different color. So let's see the different colors. Staying at that color scheme, blue, light blue. What y'all think? So if you go white, you ain't gonna be able to see the text. So I'm gonna leave it that color. Now I want to change the actual text. I will highlight it here, left click, highlight it, go up here to text color, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that color and use it for the text color. Alright, and I'm going to change the background to a different color. So left click, same thing, click on the background, and I'm going to change this to white. So you know what, I better change this one. I'm gonna set that and put the blue to this. Let's try that. I don't like how that look. So let me try this. Let me change that color to blue. Change the background to white. Change this background to blue. Change this because I can't see the text. Change the text to white. Change the background. And like I said, y'all, just left clicking on it. And going back to the palette color. Change that to blue. Bam. I see that. And to add the text to that, do the same thing. Add the text, you just drag it and type in, backspace, type in what you're putting in. And you want to tighten that up a little bit. Yeah, just click on that at the top. Center it down. I'll close this up a little bit. Just that. I'm gonna close this one up a little bit too. And boom. So you can leave it like that. Or if you want to add, let me see if I can pull it up. And your photos in here, if they got different photos that you can use, like Friday, stuff like that. Just different logos and stuff. Like a lot of the stuff, these are the pro ones, but they got a lot of stuff you can use on the free to add. But I want to get an actual symbol of deal machine. Let me see. Let's see if I thought I put it on the computer. Let's see if I can find it. I'm gonna pause it right here and see if I can find it. Alright, y'all, so I found the logo. So I just want to crop this a little bit and see where I can put it at. And I'm gonna close this up. Just click it on the side. Where would I add this here? This feels like a let's see if I put it up here. Here. Shout at you. And that's it, y'all. So if you want to get, like I said, if you want to get started with Canva, and then you would just download it, and you put transparent background, and then you hit download, and that's it, y'all. And it's preparing my design, and I'll upload it to my video. So if you found that helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, let me know what y'all thought about the tutorial, which thing should I try next, and what should I be doing. And actually I wanted to tell y'all exactly what I do to make money, but I will make that on another video, and I'll leave it in the description. Matter of fact, I'll leave it in the description below. Check out the description below. I'll leave the link to the other video where you can make money with Canva, and actually connect it with this other app. So look in the description below. It'll be written at the bottom, so you can start making you some extra money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's D Money from I'llQuitMyJob.com. Peace.